Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer any type of data or file from Android phone to your Realme GT 2 Pro or Realme GT 2. So in order to do that, we'll need to download the apps on our phones, and we'll need to open Google Play Store to do that. So let's open it on both devices and start searching for an app. Send anywhere, send anywhere, and do the same thing right here. Install it on both devices. Open it when it's done. You will need to grant the access and just move through that process until you see something like that. That means the app is ready. So since we'll be receiving the files on our GT2 Pro, we can change the tab to receive already. Now open it on our other Android device. Accept, continue, allow, and make sure that it's in the send mode right here. Now, here you can pick whatever photos, videos, audio, apps, and contacts or files you want to send. Just select them. Let me get the access to all of it. And now just simply go to, for example, photos and select the files that you want to send, like that. And after selecting all these photos, you can press send. And you will see the code right here, which you can write right here. You can also scan QR code or share it with a link. So let's just write this code right here: 798153. Press OK, and then wait. Sometimes it might stop, but what I learned is to actually make sure that both devices are on the same Wi-Fi, and then it works perfectly. So let me connect to the same Wi-Fi, and it should work. You can actually try disconnecting this one, like this, and now it's completed. So we can open the file and access all of the photos that we've just sent. As you can see, they are in a perfect quality, nothing has changed. We can open them as well right here. It's a bit darker here because the screen is different, but yeah, hope that actually helped you. If you encounter the problem with this, that the file is not sending or downloading, try disconnecting or connecting your Wi-Fi, or try connecting to the same network, and then it should work perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.